Yay! I'm so happy!
Thank you for the good fight.
Okay, everybody, move aside, out of my way. Best friend coming through. That would be me. And you? Don't make a habit of that, okay? There are other ways of getting attention, you know?
I'll try to remember that.
All right. And I was right behind you if you needed me. I had you covered.
What was that?
Hey, it wasn't me, I swear. Okay, maybe it was.
Everyone, let's move.